the things they spoil for you, Abi? Eh?
What is it? Why are you looking so scared? What is it? What is it,
What
EJ?
I saw is enough to get you scared.
What is it? What did you see?
Where is your husband?
Ha! Did you say where's my husband?
Hey! My husband, what happened to my husband? What? Hey! That's, hey! Oh God, I don't know. I beg God that nothing should happen to you. What did I do to this people? I don't care, oh God. What did the accident happen? No! Please. Hey! Please.
Ada, stop it! Ada, can you just calm down?
No, what is it?
Calm down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage, it's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where's your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating? How?
You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh yes, I did. You would never imagine, right? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect him to do, like I ask again? Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. No. Did you just walk out on me, Ada? I am asking you, did you just walk out on me?
If your husband is a cheat, mine is not.
Wow. So that's the reason you did what you just did? Walked out on me like that?
EJ, you should know me by now. I don't have time for your gossip. Please.
Can you add some respect, Ada? Just a little of it would do. So you actually think that I left all that I was doing to come here for mere gossips? If you must know, your well-loving husband, your husband that you trust so much, is catching so much fun at the moment as we speak, right there with his concubine at Santa Cruz Hotel. And this is not the first or the second time I've ever seen them. This will not be the last time your husband will be seeing those ladies. Believe me. I said leave now! So Ada asked me to leave her house. Just because I came to help her. Okay. Sunday, maybe soonest, she will be the one running to me for help.
Hi! God Almighty. Madam, is this what I'm going to be passing through in this? Madam, what is it? Nothing. Nothing. I heard you shouting. Huh? Was I shouting? Yes, I heard you shouting. Ah. Mm-hmm. I didn't know I was shouting. Nothing. It's nothing. It's just some lunatic. So, what was I doing? Was I cleaning the house or you are still cooking, right? Yes. Please just go and continue with it. In short, if you are through, come on. Clean up this place. Can I wash it? Bring broom and sweep. Mama, I noticed this attitude a year ago. 3 different people has confronted me about this his promiscuous attitude. But I chased them away. Mama, do you know that the lady I saw my husband with is a woman I respect so much?
Men, that is their nature. That is their nature. And I'm worried he gave me away. You and I cannot stop them. You know? You and I cannot stop them. The only thing that can stop a cheating husband is the grace of God. You know, go? So take care of yourself. Happier. Protect yourself. You know, go? You don't have to cry.
What do I do now, Mama? I do not want to confront her because of my safety, that of my son and my husband. Just like I cannot do anything.
Your safety first. You know, go? Your safety first. You don't have to confront her or fight her over your husband. Why get at the very desperate? They are very desperate and can do anything to get someone else's husband. You know, go, so you don't have to comfort her. Happier. Protect yourself, your husband and your son. You don't have to leave your home. Because if poor, she will pack in. And if you confront her or fight her, she might kill you and make your son a slave. So Rapia. You know, go, Rapia, no. You can't aware. You understand? Oh? So you don't have to cry. Rapia, just calm down. Oh? Nemo.
Don't mess with me. I told you you're not leaving this house until your mommy comes back. Are you hearing me?
Let me go and play game in Austin's house.
Are you deaf? I said you are not leaving this house.
I went to repair them. How come?
Mom, I want to go play football.
You want to go play football?
Yes.
My baby, have you done your assignment? No. So you have to do your assignment first. So work before pleasure.
What?
What's what?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, you know you have taste for good things. You love good things.
Where is that coming from?
What I said is simple.
I still don't understand what you mean.
She's beautiful.
Who?
Your concubine.
I don't know what you're talking about. Can I eat this food in peace? Don't tell me you've started listening to gossip.
I knew about this long ago, but I just kept calm because of the respect I have for our marriage and our son.
Like I said earlier, I have no idea of what you're talking about.
You know, Muna, I am not a child. I even saw you today with her.
Saw me? With who?
Muna, if I wanted to kill you, I would have done that long ago. Do you know why? Because you eat my food every day.
What?
You startled me.
Startled, Ukwa. What is it?
Now. What do you want? See, please, babe, please, if you must do this, then you have to go and protect yourself.
What kind of talk is that one?
Which one is, what kind of talk is that one?
Which one is I have to protect myself? So it means that I'm going to infect you.
So I should not protect myself again. If you don't want to protect yourself, no problem. Allow me to protect myself.
What kind of stupid talk is that? Which one is that I want to make love with my wife, and my wife is telling me to protect myself? Since when now? Huh?
There's no problem. Baby, the money I've been asking you about, where is it? Give me the money for my hair and the clothes I wanted to buy.
Which one is the problem? Is it the money or the problem? Because we have to know the one that is the problem. You can't be bringing so many things at the same time now.
The money is the problem.
Well, me, I don't have money now.
You don't have money?
Yes.
You don't have money. I've been asking you for this money for the past 4 weeks, and you've been telling me you don't have money. You don't have money, Muna.
But I don't have now. That's why I have not given you the money.
Okay,
I don't understand. We are talking about another thing. You're bringing money.
You don't have money.
Are you now a prostitute that I have to pay you before anything?
Which one is that? Am I not a prostitute? What do you mean by that? Won't you give your wife money? You are no longer acting like the Muna I married. Unlike you before, by now you will give me money. You don't even wait for me to ask.
Since it has gotten to that extent that I have to give you money before I make love to my wife, it's okay.
It's a lie. I did not say you have to give me money.
It's what you said now.
I just told you now that you should give me the money I've been asking you of.
But I said I don't have it at the moment.
If you don't have it, why do you not want to go do something?
You see.
You want to do
same thing I just said.
What do you mean by same thing you just said? What do you mean by same
You're
thing
asking me for money before making... The woman I paid her bride price is asking me for money. It's okay, keep it.
Woman you paid which bride price?
Use Aradite and cover it.
I will use Aradite. You put your own space. You want to come and touch.
It's okay, let me sleep. I'm going to
how many weeks I've been begging you for money? Let me now look. I will not take care of myself.
Build
Is it not the money I will use to buy pants? I will use to still buy wash I will use there. Oh yeah, now come and touch. Is it when I don't wash the
I've told you to stay on your own. I'm no longer asking you.
I was sleeping, I was lying here in peace when you were the one that came to wake me and you woke me up in pieces. So that pieces you have to inherit it now. Nonsense. You are telling me now. You are very wicked. You, this man, you are very, very wicked. Now you want to sleep. When you woke me up, you want to sleep. Is that not wickedness? Is that not wickedness?
You are the wicked person to tell me money for hand back for grand.
Which one is
Why will you tell me that?
Why did I say money for hand back for grand?
Did I say money for hand back for grand? It's what you're saying that I have to give you money.
Because you don't have anybody here to witness this. Did I say money for hand back for grand?
It's okay.
Were you not the one waking me up when I was sleeping?
Sorry, my dear, I kept you waiting. I'm so sorry.
It's nothing. Children.
Are you okay? You don't look happy. Is something wrong?
Joanne, it's my husband.
Your husband? Is he fine? I mean, is something wrong? Hope he's fine.
Yes, he's fine. Yeah. It's just that my husband is seeing another woman.
I'm sorry, you can't be so sure. Listen, did you see him with any woman?
No. I did not see him with any woman.
Okay.
It's just that some people have been telling me that they've been seeing him with this Calabar girl. And you know how Calabar girls are. You know that when they hold a man, they...
I understand. Please, just take it easy, okay? You know, men cannot be trusted. But with the way you speak about your husband, nobody would think that he would cheat on you. Like, I'm so sorry. Okay?
Joanne, do you know that I even confronted my husband? He denied it. He was not even ashamed. He denied it before me. And do you know the worst part is that he was not even remorseful.
You know, I hate to hear this kind of rubbish. I hate it. I wish I knew who he is. I would have gone to him to speak some sense into him. What's wrong with him? Sorry. You need to calm down, okay? Please.
That's not even my problem. The worst is that he no longer gives me money. I've been begging him for money since last week. Money for my own upkeep. He refused to give me, saying I didn't have any money. But yet he goes around spending money on women.
Now, that right there is unacceptable. He cannot cheat on you and still not take care of you. That's unacceptable. But, okay, can I give you the money? I mean, can I help? That's the least I can do. Please. How much do you want? How much do you need?
It's 110,000.
Yeah, that's fine. I can give you 110,000, but I do not have any cash here. Can you stop by tomorrow to pick it up?
Joanne, you don't bother yourself.
No. I'm not bothering myself. I can give it to you and it won't take anything from me. Just accept it, please. Okay?
Something in me says I should not accept it because I'm bothering you.
No.
Let me listen to the one that is telling me to accept.
Can you stop? Please. Can you stop by tomorrow and collect the money? Okay?
Thank you so much, Joanne. God bless you.
Amen. And bless you too.
Sorry for disturbing you.
No! You're not disturbing me. Listen, Ada, it's fine, okay? Anytime. Do you understand? And thanks for letting me help. I appreciate it.
I beg to take my leave now.
That's okay. I'll wait for you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, I don't know. One mind said I should not disturb you, but another one said I should accept the money. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, baby.
Did you see anyone outside?
No? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just tired.
That is why I'm here to give my baby a treat.
A treat?
So let's go out for lunch.
A treat?
Yeah.
Let's go, PG.
Come on, let's see. I want to give my baby a treat. Okay? Do you need help?
Let me just tidy up, honey.
Can't wait. Really.
Hold on. Okay. Where exactly are we going?
There's this new Chinese restaurant in town. Top notch. You're gonna love it. So it's my baby's time. Let's go.
Whatever.
But before we go,
Get out.
let's go.
I hate that. I love you.
am I doing the right thing? Yeah. Maybe I should go tell her that I want her to talk to my husband. I'm sure this will help unfold the truth. Yes. Yeah. I should tell her to help me talk to my husband. I know it will help unfold the truth. It will. Let me reverse here. These people will not give me BP. Blood pressure.
Has he gone to this time?
This is too much. This is way too much for me to handle. For a small girl like me, this is too much. Oh, hi. To be a woman is not easy. How are you, darling? You're back.
Fine.
How was school today, my love?
School was fine.
Good afternoon,
Oh, no, good afternoon.
Mom, will I have a new school bus?
Oh, school bus.
Yes.
That's nice. Nice. My love, just go upstairs, take a good bath, and Nana will give you juice to drink.
Okay. Mom, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
But you did not smile at me.
Oh, my love, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my baby. I was just carried away. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Mom.
You know I love you so much. So go upstairs and take a bath, okay? Did you finish your food?
Yes.
That's nice. Nana, if you finish taking his bath, please give him juice to drink.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, this is too much. Oh. I have to smile and be okay at the same time.
Ben, so you've been inside?
Honey, who is this?
My ex.
Oh, your ex.
Yeah, forget about her. Let's go.
Me, ex. My goodness. Who was that?
That's supposed to be your new form of serving me lunch? I asked.
And who says it is not important for me to know who my husband brings into our home? Come on, Ben, I've been knocking out here. And you have been in there, making out with another woman on our matrimonial...
What impudence! What sagacity! How dare you! How dare you! Get me water to drink. Take these things away! Take these things away from here! Ijoma! Get these things away from here!
Imagine.
Go on your knees and tap me the water. I said go on your knees.
I'm sorry. Please.
Ken kaka kina mazi jijiji. Yinyola koko. Take your hand if that water touches me. If it drops on me. Take your hands up and feed me well.
I'm sorry.
You know, do you have a cocoa?
No.
Oh, what's up? Drop it before you pour this thing on me. Get out. Can you imagine? In my own house? I won't live my life the way I want it. How? Where is it done? Try this next time. Rubbish. What are you trying to do? Huh? Can you stop this and untie me now? What kind of joke is this?
Do you think our son will miss us?
See, if this is a joke, just stop it. Untie me.
What do you mean by if this is a joke? Do you think I'm stupid? See, let me tell you, there's nothing bad if I and kill myself At least when we get to the spiritual world, you will not be able to cheat again.
Just stop! Stop this now! Just stop this! Stop, please! Please, keep the knife!
Then how about me?
Hey!
Jesus! Baby! Jesus, what is it? You startled me. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
A dream.
A dream? Ah! Ah! It's okay. Mommy, I need money for toiletries.
Baby. So I'm rushing out already.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's okay. Anything for my baby. See you later.
Bye. Hi.
Joel, good day.
How are you? How's your husband?
He's there. He's there. It's just that I'm not allowing his attitude to disturb me.
Yes, that's what you should do. Your health is paramount. I hope you understand that. Here, please manage this, okay? Listen, I would have done more than this, but I just paid my brother's school fees and house rent, so I'm a bit low on cash. Just manage, okay?
I'm now somehow looking like a beggar. I'm just feeling ashamed, kind of.
You are not a beggar. You're just a woman who's in need, and I'm glad I can help. Listen, just so you know, if you ever need anything, I'll be here. Here, please.
You'll be here for me. Thank you. Oh, this is too much. God bless you.
That's it. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, I should be going.
Alright, please be safe, okay?
You need to be safe. Thank you. Thank you.
Nana.
What do you want?
Why are you asking now? Eh? Why are you asking this kind of question? Why are you finding it difficult to understand that I love you? Eh?
Love. Did you just say love with this your mouth?
Now.
What kind of stupid love are you talking about?
Now calm down now. Why are you shouting?
Listen. If you don't live here, and my madam or Oga comes back and meets you here, hey, you are on your own.
See, I think it's better they meet me here. They will meet me here so that I can explain. Just tell them everything. Tell them how much I love you.
Hey, God.
They keep person.
You're very, very mad. You are mad. Which kind of stupid love are you talking about? Eh? Do you know how to love? You better start going before I scream now. I'm going to shout.
Ha! Nobody will hear you now. Shout if you want to shout.
Eh?
Yes, shout. Nobody will
Eh? You not leave. Eh? You want me to shout? Hey!
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I will leave.
Are you going to leave?
It's okay now. I will come back again.
I'll shout off.
Nana.
Useless boy. Don't go. Come back here and look for who you put in trouble. This small place I am managing. Love.
Jay, my husband is seeing another woman, and I am sure you know about it.
Madam, to be honest, I don't know he's seen any woman outside. Meanwhile, how did you find out?
I did my findings carefully and I found out he's cheating on me.
In that case, I think I have to call him and talk to him.
No. That's not necessary. You don't need to. I just called you here to tell you so I can have a witness.
Okay. You just have to take it easy. I'm really sorry about that.
Jay, you don't need to be sorry. It's one of those things. Right, well, thank you so much for at least coming out to see me.
Welcome. Into a big mess like this.
I think I owe EJ an apology.
I told this guy, stop all this thing. This woman will find out one day. Now it has come. In fact, the woman will find out.
I need to apologize to Ijeoma. EJ warned me. She told me.
How long will I keep defending you?
I will apologize to EJ. Man. Muna.
That innocent woman. Innocent woman now. Eh?
Nana. Come again now.
You again.
Don't shout now, calm down, eh?
What have I done to you? Why can't you allow me be at peace? What is it?
See, wait. I brought news for you. Goodies. Eh? Just tell me what you want me to buy for you and I will buy it. Mention anything. mention, come on, say it.
What can you buy for me? Eh? What is it that you have that you want to buy for me?
Hey.
See. Biko.
Wait.
I don't want anything from you. Please.
So you mean my money cannot buy your love?
Do you have money? Ha. Do you have money?
Oh. See, let me tell you something. I will go to the village and I will sell my land. And I will have enough money. I will come and buy this love. Thank you for smiling. I know you like it.
If you don't go now, and my madam or my oga comes back and meet you here, I don't know you.
What am I coming back? Wait, so you want to deny me?
I said go!
You don't want to go? You like shouting.
Okay. Sorry, I shouted.
Okay.
I am very sorry.
Okay, Nana.
Just let me check what I was cooking. I'm coming.
Hey! I don't trust this smile.
Come back here. Idiot, Nana. Fool. Monkey. Come back and look for love. You're still there.
I'll come back.
Idiot. Goat. It's love that will kill you. Love will kill you. Monkey.
Nana.
Ma. Yes, ma.
Nana.
Ma.
I want to go and pick my son from school.
Okay, ma.
You have to wash beans for moi. That's what we're going to eat this evening. Nana. Who has this ATM? Seems like EJ forgot her ATM card. IJ's own.
Yes, ma. That's her name.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll give it to her.
Okay, ma.
Okay, so make the beds, okay?
Yes, ma.
I'm so sorry, please. Just open the door for me. Please, I'm begging you. It will not repeat itself. I am sorry, please. My love, please, I'm begging you. Do not treat me this way. I'm begging you.
Ada, can you just calm down?
No, what is it?
Calm down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage, it's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where's your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating? How?
You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh, yes, I did. You will never imagine, all right? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you?
What do you expect him to do, like I ask again? Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. No, no.
Please. Okay, I said I am sorry. I didn't go anywhere. I only went to see my friend. Honey, please, I am begging you now. Eh? Okay, I'm sorry. Don't beat me. Don't harm me. Please, I'm begging you. I won't do it again.
Now I see who is being locked outside. Ah! Women and lies. Now I can handle my family issue my own way.
Ada? Ada, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Why are you outside? Why is your door locked?
I forgot my key when I was going out, so my husband is he's out but he's on his way.
Okay, you forgot your key?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, and your husband is on his way?
Yeah, to come and open the door with his own key. With his own key. Yeah.
You actually forgot your ATM card.
Oh! I did. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. So, how is your husband?
He's fine. I want to go and pick my son from school.
Okay. And hope he's not. Anyway. It's okay. Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate this.
So this is how you stay outside till your husband comes?
What do you expect me to do? I don't want to go to my neighbors. Yeah, he's rushing home to come and open the door for me. So, I'll just have to wait.
Okay, no problem. Bye.
Okay, I'll see you soon, or later.
I'm here to see you. Yes.
Who are you? What is it?
I'm your husband's client and I have something very important to tell you. Can we go inside?
Go inside?
Yes.
What is it you want to talk to me about?
My name is Kate and I've been meaning to come and tell you this.
What is it?
Your husband is seeing another woman.
My husband is seeing another woman?
Yes.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
Then why are you telling me this?
Listen, I felt you should know.
You felt I should know?
Yes.
Look around this vicinity. Look around. As you can see, I do not want to see you around this vicinity again. Else, I will deal with you.
Are you saying I'm lying? Your husband has been disturbing me for months now. I could even show you all the text messages he sent to me.
You and your text messages should rot in hell. Get out!
Oh, yes.
Thank you, sweetheart. Can you please come a bit closer? Please. Just a bit closer. Yeah.
Mona, what is the meaning of this?
The meaning of what? But she explained everything to you in English, or did you speak Spanish?
No, maybe Swahili.
Mona, so it has gotten to the extent that you do not care how I feel. You are so careless to the extent you brought in a woman into our matrimonial home. You do not even care how I feel, Mona.
There you go again. Of course I care. Of course I care. You don't say things like that. If I don't care, why would I be here with her? Huh? Like right now you're here. If I don't care about you, I won't even tell her, let's go to the bedroom. Okay, so let's go to the bedroom. Since she's here, this will give her time to, picture what she